In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Astro A20 headset to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Astro A20 headset is developed to be used with PlayStation consoles, so you will be able to use it natively. All that you have to do is set up the headset and the transmitter beforehand. So first, ensure that the transmitter is set to PlayStation 4. Usually this is going to be a little toggle that you can switch into. So make sure that it is set to PlayStation 4 mode if you are using it on a PlayStation 4. And this will also work for the PlayStation 5. Once this is done, you will be able to plug one end of the provided cable into the transmitter and the other end into the PlayStation 4. So essentially, you just have to make sure that you are connecting the transmitter with the console with the provided cables. Once it is properly plugged into any of the available USB ports, you will then be able to power on the A20 headset and it will automatically pair itself up with the transmitter. Give it a few seconds for the connection to establish, and once it is properly established between the transmitter and the headset, you are good to go. If you go over to the settings on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 console and you navigate through the audio devices, you will be able to set it up as the input device and the output device, allowing you to listen to all of the audio coming through your PlayStation 4 console or your PlayStation 5 console through the A20 headset. And the microphone should be working as well, as long as it is properly connected. Once you change the input and output device, you are good to go, and you can use them without any issues. If it doesn't work right away, I recommend checking your connections, make sure that the transmitter is properly set up with the transmitter set to PlayStation mode, and afterwards check to see if your headset is sufficiently charged. As long as you set it up accordingly with the proper connections, it is going to work natively. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect A20 headset to PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.